If I could go back and give my younger self just one piece of trading advice, it wouldn't be about strategy. It wouldn't be about indicators. It wouldn't even be about risk management. It would be this: start writing everything down. I know that probably isn't the advice you expected. Most traders spend years searching for the perfect strategy. I spent years doing the same. Every time I lost money, I thought the problem was my system. So I changed it. Then I changed it again. And again. But no matter how many strategies I tried, one thing stayed the same. Me. My impatience, my emotions, my habits, my excuses. I was looking everywhere except the one place where the real problem existed: my own decisions. Everything changed the day I started keeping a trading journal. Not because it magically made me profitable, but because, for the first time, I could see myself clearly. I stopped guessing. I stopped blaming the market. I started seeing patterns I never knew existed. Today, I want to share why journaling became the most valuable tool in my trading journey, and why it might become yours too. Because the market teaches every trader. The question is, are you paying attention? Your greatest teacher is your own trading history. Most traders look outside themselves for answers. A new YouTube video, a new mentor, a new strategy, a new indicator. There's nothing wrong with learning from others, but eventually, your greatest teacher becomes your own experience. The problem is, most traders never study it. Imagine playing football for 10 years, but never watching a single replay of your matches. How would you know what to improve? Trading is no different. Every trade contains valuable information. Why did you enter? How did you feel? Did you follow your rules? Were you patient? What were you thinking when you moved your stop loss? If you don't record those moments, you'll repeat them. When I finally started reviewing my journal, I noticed something surprising. I wasn't losing because my strategy was bad. I was losing because I kept making the same emotional mistakes, and until I could see those patterns, I couldn't change them. Your trading history isn't there to remind you of your failures. It's there to reveal your habits. Patterns become obvious when you write them down. One bad trade doesn't tell you much. 20 similar bad trades tell you everything. That's the power of journaling. You begin to notice things you never saw before. Maybe you always lose after trying to recover a previous loss. Maybe your worst trades happen late in the day. Maybe you perform better on Mondays than Fridays. Maybe every impulsive trade starts with the words, "This one looks close enough." Those patterns are invisible in your memory. They're obvious in your journal. One of the biggest breakthroughs I ever had came from realizing that I wasn't losing money because of market conditions. I was losing money because I traded differently when I was tired. Without my journal, I never would have noticed. Awareness creates change, and journaling creates awareness. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. When people hear the word journal, they sometimes imagine writing pages every day. That's not what I'm talking about. Your journal doesn't need to be complicated. It just needs to be honest. Some days your entry might be 3 sentences. I followed my plan. I accepted my loss. I stayed disciplined. Other days it might simply say, today I traded because I was bored. That one sentence can teach you more than 10 winning trades. Your journal isn't there to impress anyone. No one else needs to read it. It's a conversation with yourself. A place where you stop pretending. A place where you tell the truth. Because growth begins the moment honesty replaces excuses. Every week, spend a few minutes reviewing what you've written. Don't ask, how much money did I make? Ask, what kind of trader am I becoming? That's the question that changes everything. If there's one habit that transformed my trading more than anything else, It wasn't finding a better strategy. It was paying attention to my own behavior. The market gives us feedback every single day. Most traders ignore it. The ones who improve learn from it. So, starting today, I want to challenge you. After your next trading session, don't close your platform and walk away. Open a notebook or your phone. Write down what happened. More importantly, write down what you learned. 6 months from now, you'll be grateful you started. Because profitable traders don't simply collect winning trades. They collect lessons. If this video gave you a new perspective, I'd appreciate it if you liked the video. If you're serious about becoming a consistently profitable trader, subscribe to Market Psychology. And don't forget to turn on notifications, because every week we're building the mindset that separates disciplined traders from emotional ones. In the next video, we're going to discuss a topic that many traders don't even realize is affecting them. Why you're addicted to trading. We'll explore why so many traders feel the need to be in the market all the time, how dopamine quietly influences your decisions, and why overtrading has less to do with strategy than with psychology. If you've ever taken trades simply because you were bored, you won't want to miss it. Until next time, master your mind, master the market.